Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Dashit. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 2. Our today's topic is place value part 1. In this part, I will show the place value of the digits containing 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit numbers. I will show the place value of the digits containing number 2 digits, 3 digits and 4 digits number. Okay, dear students, this is our 5th lecture, and from this lecture I have given your homework. This is homework 2, and in this homework I have given 2 numbers here. You will show the place value of the digits of these 2 numbers. First one is 159, second one is 3804. Okay, dear students, at first see our today's class, then you will be able to do your homework following our class. Okay, dear students, now see, to do the place value, at first we have to know what is place value. Dear students, place value means the value of a digit in a number according to its place or position is known as place value. Suppose I am writing a number 37. Here are 2 digits. In this number, how many digits here? 2 digits. First one is 7, and this place is known as ones place or unit place. For this I have denoted by O, and this place is known as tens place. This place is known as tens place. As this is ones place, so the value of this digit in the number will be 7 ones. 7 ones. 7 ones means 7. 7 ones means 7. And 3 in the tens position. So value of this position, value of the 3 in this position will be 3 tens. As 3 is in tens position, so value of this 3 will be 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. So this will be 30. It means that the value of a digit in a number according to its position is known as place value. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood what is place value. Now I will show you how can you determine the place value of the digits of number. Okay, dear students, now see, here is a 2 digit number. So first place is unit place or ones place, and then second one is tens place. You need to remember that when you will indicate the position of the digit, you have to start from the right, then you will gradually go to the left. First position is ones place, then tens place, then 100 place, thousands place. In this way you have to move to left from right. Okay, so this is ones place. So place value of 4 will be 4 ones. 4 ones. 4 ones means, as this is unit place, this value will remain same 4. 4 ones means 4. 4 ones means 4. And this is in tens position. So this will be 9 tens. 9 tens. As this is in tens position, this value of this 9 will be 90. 9 tens are 90. As 9 tens are 90. So the place value of 9 in this number is 90, and place value of 4 in this number is 4. Okay, now I will go to the next question. Here are 3 digits in this number. So indicate the position of the digits at first. This is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds place. So ones position will be same, 8 ones. This will be 8. And then tens position, here is 5 in tens position, so 5 tens. 5 tens. As this is 5 tens means 50. 5 tens are 50. So value, place value of 5 is 50. Now 2 is in hundreds place, so we can write here 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds. So as this is in hundreds place, so place value of 2 will be 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood how to determine the place value. the value of a digit in a number according to its position. Easy, if it is hundreds position, the value will be 100. Suppose here is 2 is in hundreds position, so this will be 200. How many hundred? 200. In this way, we can determine the place value of any digit in any number. Okay, dear students, let us see third question. Here, ones, tens, 100. So this is 4 ones. Means 4. 4 ones means 4. 4 is in tens position again. So 4 tens. 4 tens means 4 tens are 40. 4 tens are 40. Here again 4 is in hundreds place. So this 4, value of this 4 will be 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. This will be 400. So we have to write 400 here. Value of this 4 is 400. Dear students, notice here all the digits are same, but according to its position in a number, the value are same according to its position. If 4 is in ones, then value of 4 is 4. If 4 is in tens position, then value of 4 is 4 tens are 40. Value of 4 is 40. And if 4 is in hundreds place, then value of 4 is 400. So we can say these are the place value of the digit 4 in this number, as these values are for their place or position. Okay, dear students, now see our today's last question, that is 3706. Indicate the position ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So we can say place value of 6 is 6 ones. 6 ones. 6 ones means 6. Now 0 tens. 0 tens. If 0 is in any position, the value will be 0. As here are 2 digits, we can use here 2 0. 2 0. If you write only 1 0, that will be also correct. Okay, dear students, now see 7. Place value of 7. 7 is in hundreds place, so we have to write here 700s. 700s. So value of 7 in this number will be, place value of 7 will be 700s. 700. Okay, now let's digit 3. Now let's digit 3. 3 is in thousands place, so we can write here 3000. 3000. So place value of 3 in this number is 3000. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood how to determine the place value of the digits in a number. Depending on today's lecture, you will solve these two questions. You will show the place value of the digits of the number of 159 and place value of the digits of the number 3804. Okay, dear students, do this, solve these two questions as your homework and submit your homework on next Saturday. Every Saturday you will submit your homework in the school campus from 9 AM to 3 PM, and you will get back your previous homework copy on that day. Okay, dear students, so keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Assalamu alaikum.